What's good with y'all? I'm back with another video. Bro, I be saying I'm a upload. It's that editing, bro. That editing ain't no joke for real. If it don't come up to my standards, I don't want to post it. And I got a certain way I at least want my videos to look and sound. And when I be looking back over it, it don't really be how I want it to be. So that's why I'm gonna be posting it. Let's just get into the review. I came in Sunday night, morning to Monday to look at what I wanted for this week. As you can see here on USD I was simply looking for a reaction at this price area, right? I either wanted it to go above, get a rejection, and then continue to the upside, or I wanted it to break this neckline down here to catch some sales, because if you go on the 1 hour, you can see that it's inverted head and shoulders pretty much. This is a good area to come back into and then buy. And as you can see, we didn't even break below it. We got below it, but we didn't close below it. That's the thing. I didn't get my rejection off of this, and I'm just being patient and waiting to see what price is giving me. Right now, it's looking like it wants to respect this neckline, and we could get some sales going. I said sales, some buys going soon. And I use my higher time frames to get my buys, being the weekly and daily. And look how a long time ago I marked this as resistance down here, and now it become what? Support. We came down to this area and buying off now. That's another lesson for real. On Euro, we're doing really good though. This is just a fair value gap fill that I wanted to catch, and as you can see, we're well in profit for real. I love how this played out. I was simply just being patient and waiting for price to show me, what it wanted to do. Sunday and Monday when I was watching it, it was just chopping within this fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, either we're gonna get below it or we're going to come back above it, and then it'll be a fair value gap fill, and then it'll just carry to the upside. I mean, you can see it here clear as day. If it played in this range a little bit and then went below it, but on the 4 hour, once seeing this hammer candle right here, this is a bullish candle to me nonetheless, because although it is red and sellers are in control at this moment, price came all the way down here and buyers pushed it all the way back up, and then we get our engulfer candle right after. So, and then it's past the fair value gap going out of it, so that was just even more confirmation for me. So I got in right at the zone. Stop loss was down here, a little below this low, because I got in up here. I would have been with this to break even on my real account. I think we're pretty much getting the same thing on GBP JPY. This one was a little bit premeditated, but I still have confluence to go with it. So I'm seeing on the weekly that we are bullish nonetheless, and I want to trade with the trend, right? I don't want to go against it. When I was looking at this, we weren't up here yet, right? So we were somewhere down here, and I'm noticing that if you go on the daily, we have this recent high. We broke above it, and because we are bullish, there hasn't been really any signs of, breaking of structure or things of that nature to change trend. I'm looking forward to come above this high and retest it, and then continue pushing to the upside, targeting this recent high right here for liquidity. We finally got into it, and then I was waiting to see some buying power come in after touching it. Came up there, got in, and now we're going to profit. This is like a bit of a neckline though. I might close this early, I'm being honest, since I've been plenty of times. We hit this and then it just goes back down. I don't want to do that, so I might just close this. 2 to 9. Nonetheless, that's a W trade, and we'll close that, chat. And that's a dub. And then this one, I literally set this so perfect, bro, when I didn't draw down, but the trade didn't place. I don't know why TradingView does this to me sometimes, but it doesn't place. Even though it's the demo account, it doesn't really matter. I still like to see it in profit to, show me that, this is real, this is possible. If this was a real account, you would be making stupid money. So I like to see it in profit, see the numbers, see all of that. But yeah, I count this as a trade that I'm in. This is simply just area of support that we been above for a pretty long time. I just wanted to get above it. Once we are above it, I wanted to get a retest and then carry it to the upside. Sometimes you don't get that, right? And this is where the daily time frame comes in, and the EMA. Sometimes you don't get the exact touch of the zone, but you can use the EMA as good confluence as well. So once we got down here, we got close to it, and we went past the EMA, correct? And then we came all the way back up here, and buyers closed it here. Once we came down here, that's a bullish candle, bro. But I got in, this is kind of premeditated, I can't lie. But as you can see, the confirmation would be just a little bit above here, and my stop loss would be at this right here. If I waited for that confirmation, but I premeditated this buy and I was right. So that just feels good, bro. It does feel good. AU to USD didn't give me the entry I wanted. I wanted to retest here, and it just didn't get that for real. And then this one, I just didn't get the entry either. I wanted it to fill this gap here on the 4 hour and get that continuation to the downside. But instead, we just came rejected off of it and then went back to the downside. Yeah, that's it. Yo, I'm back. Yeah, we hopping straight into it. USD JPY. We broke this neckline right here that I was talking about. Going to 1 hour, you can see it more clear. We're finally below it, and we're starting to get a little retracement here. So hopefully that will give us our entry for our shorts we were looking for. My euro trade, it did hit, as you can see, and that was this fair value gap fill here. Got in here, held to there. Simple. JPY trade smack. Like, oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful, bro. I'm just doing that, to be honest. It's just loving things play out the way they supposed to. You feel me? We got this buying pressure, and got in right there, and just held to TP right here, which is a recent high. This trade I got in here, like I said in previously in the video, that the trade just didn't place on trading view for whatever reason. I don't know, but I do count this as a trade, and honestly, I would just close right now, and that's another trade. So that's 3 trades that we don't hit. AUD USD didn't give us entry, and he just did this. Out of the 3 trades that I did pick, I was accurate. I just want to give you all a little update on that, basically to let y'all know that like this is possible. As you can see, like you can definitely make money with this. If this was a real account and I copy traded these 3 trades against 5 different accounts, I would make so much money. It's not even funny. Like, so, but this is just proof that it does work. It just takes time to learn this skill, and once you put the time in, dedication, you don't give up. Even when losing, you just keep going without seeing profits. If you can stick through it and actually learn the material, learn the skill, then you can master it to the point you just get on, know what you're looking for. If you don't see it, then you're just not taking a trade. Just staying disciplined. All that stuff comes with just staying in the game long enough. You just got to know what you're doing, and this is gonna start paying off really soon, and I know that. So, and it's just that simple. Y'all be safe. Keep God in your life. If you're watching this video and you want like me to go over something, maybe I could teach these new beginners something and what they need. Just let me know what y'all need, what y'all want to learn on, some concepts that y'all hear about, and I can go over them, make some videos. I'll try to get that out for y'all. But yeah, y'all be safe. Keep God in your life. Keep them first, and just go for those accomplishments, and you got it. And that's it. Please like and subscribe, comment, do all that, YouTuber stuff, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!